By this time, we all know that MrBeast is a multimillionaire YouTuber, but have you ever wondered how much money does he actually make? Stick around till the end of the video as we give you the exact numbers and explain how he makes that much money and how can you try and do it as well. The first source of his income will obviously be YouTube ad revenue. Now many of you might not know this, but MrBeast actually has 6 different channels. MrBeast with 50 million subscribers, MrBeast Gaming with 13 million subscribers, Beast Reacts with 3.8 million subscribers, MrBeast Shorts with 3 million subscribers, MrBeast 2 with 1.5 million subscribers, Beast Philanthropy with 45,000 subscribers. According to Social Blade, he makes anywhere between $295,000 to $7.7 million every month. Now let's calculate by ourselves the actual number. To calculate ad revenue, you need to divide the total views by 1000 and then multiply it by the CPM. MrBeast gets a total monthly view of 1.18 billion from his 6 channels. Now considering the niche he is in right now, it's safe to assume he gets an average of $5 per 1000 views. Now let's divide his total views by 1000 and now multiply it by 5. We get an ad revenue of almost $6 million. His second source of income is sponsorship. He manages to get a sponsor on almost all of his videos. From different articles around the internet, we got an estimated average sponsorship value of $300,000. He makes a total of 12 videos a month across all his channels, so if you multiply that with the sponsorship amount, we get $3.6 million. His third source of income is merch sales. A few articles reported that he has over $6 million in merchandise sales, the main reason being his loyal fan base. Also, he markets his products in unique ways. The next source of income is his new burger business. MrBeast Burger now has 420 plus ghost kitchens as of 2021. They had $7,000 in sales on their first day of opening. They reported over $1 million in sales on their first month. They have an average of $5 million in sales per month as of now, according to Wikipedia. There are some other sources of income which are really small compared to his other streams like fan subscription on YouTube and Twitch, donations, etc. Now, if we were to make a total of his revenue, we'll add his ad revenue plus sponsorship plus merch sales plus burger sales. We have a total of $20.6 million each month. That's $247 million in a year. But do keep in mind that all of that is not profit. He spends as much as he earns. He invests a lot into his videos to get that much views in the first place. He once stated in a comment that he spends around $600,000 each month just in salaries and other expenses, not including the money he spends on videos. Also tweeted once that he spent $10 million in a year for giveaways. Now coming to our next part of the video. How does this 22-year-old manage to make this much money? The first thing you would notice if you watch his video is that he makes pretty unique content that no one has ever posted. On top of that, he has no competition in his niche, as it would be really hard to copy one of his ideas. He has a huge team supporting him while filming, which keeps the video alive and entertaining. He always makes sure to involve a challenge which helps him to keep the viewer's attention for a longer period of time. And that's what the YouTube algorithm ultimately wants, to keep the viewers on the platform. He makes really engaging content with the sponsors, rather than a plain boring statement like the other YouTubers do. That encourages the sponsors to invest more money on him. He makes sure to connect with his audience with personal touches like doing giveaways or surprising them or by signing the merch. That way, he is able to sell anything he wants to. If you're an aspiring YouTuber, you can actually learn a lot from MrBeast. Try and apply them on your content as well. If you like this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. See you in the next video.